would life be without Hannah Swenson and Star Wars? The life. Hi, I'm Cassandra, and welcome to my channel. Sorry I haven't been around. As you can see, well, there's been quite a few changes. As you can see from the new landscape, I'm in a new place. And it's quite different from the old one. Well, new equipment, because per se, well, accidents happen and cameras break and, well, let's see, counterfeit microphones, problems, practices with camera. Needless, may I go on with the problems that can happen, but, well, these are everyday life things, you know. Problems like what you have, I have them too. But, what can I say? Life continues, and I miss you. But I'm still reading, as you can see from my book. And if you follow me on Twitter, or Goodreads, perhaps, if you ask to be one of my friends on Goodreads, you'll see I'm reading this lovely book. Life has been continuing. It's like, I want to hear from you guys. I didn't tell you that, well, I really like creative cooking. You should see how much I keep up with, well, I try to keep up with Chopped, Halloween baking championships. Oh, it's so hard to keep up with baking and creative cooking. I continuously rewatch Iron Chef and then to watch Bobby Flay and his challenges with the chefs to see who can beat Bobby Flay. And it's all just to see what creative things they can come up with in the kitchen. Because, boy, it's fun to be creative in the kitchen. And it's like, I know Joanna Fluke was really good at putting recipes in her books. But I don't know about you, but wouldn't it be more fun to be creative? And I bet I could put together my own stuff and share some of their stuff too. Because I just like to be creative. And I'd like to hear what you think. But all I know is I'm back. And I want to hear from you and what you'd like to see me do. And what great books there are to read. And I'm sure I can't read fast enough. If you only knew what books I have. Between watching Hallmark mysteries, and that's the new ones. Because most of the old ones, I already saw in repeats a long time ago. And who wants to watch repeats? Although some repeats are good. And that's all I have for now, but I want to hear from you. Because I depend upon you. I love to hear what you want to hear. And next time, I'm going to be talking about a book, and I'm going to be in the kitchen. Because it's no fun if we're not talking about books and we're not creative in the kitchen, working with bookworm delectables. I love ya. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.